हेरिटेज ट्रेल कहलाता है. सो हेरिटेज ट्रेल इज एक्चुअली गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया कि इसको जो 100 साल पुराना पेशावर था उस तरह का बना दिया है. सो वी आर गोना गो एंड विजिट सेठी हवेली आफ्टर दैट. ठीक है सर, बैठे प्लीज.
ये जो बताएं गवर्नमेंट को भेजनी है.
जी जी.
कावा खाने की हिस्ट्री क्या है?
This is Kawa Khana, one of the oldest Kawa Khanas of Peshawar. You can see the old traditional way of making Kawa here, and this is one of the finest Kawa in the world because of the water here. The water here used is already sweet. The taste of Kawa here, the green tea, is no match in other
And how
part
old
of.
this tradition is?
This is more than 2,000 years old tradition because
2,000 years.
yes, because almost as old as the history of Peshawar, because Kawa has always been the part of Peshawar's history. Yes.
So what is the specialty about this kawa? And what we
The
take
water.
in?
The water. The water of Peshawar is so unique that people normally take the green tea from here to other parts of the country and the world, but they cannot make the same kawa anywhere else. So this is unique.
Yes, these are all pots. चावल का
They are making green tea.
ये इसका एक खास
अच्छा, आप लोग बैठ सकते हैं. वहाँ पे साइड पे. वो साइड पे बैठ सकते हैं.